A public spirit rules education, so that the public spirit will rule the world. Tao Xingzhi. In 1911, Ernest Solvay, a Belgian entrepreneur, became the preeminent pioneer to have invested in science and technology and provided an environment for academic exchanges. Tens of Nobel winners were from Ernest's educational institutions, which also led the technological takeoff in Brussels. The boom of universities will surely promote urban prosperity and social progress, so companies who establish or sponsor educational institutions undertake a more sacred social responsibility. Wuqing Economic and Technological Development Zone, a nation-level development zone and high-tech industry park in Tianjin Municipality, was established in 1991 and has since been trying to become a high-end international green industry park that is world-famous. The zone is located at the center intersection point of the Beijing-Tianjin-Hebei Axle of Development Coordination, Circum-Bohai Sea Economic Zone. The place is geographically advantaged, with sound infrastructure and traffic. Also located here is TIENS International Health Industrial Park, covering 1 square kilometer, with a total investment of over 7 billion RMB. The park's annual output value is over 30 billion RMB. It is now an industrial cluster base that takes the global lead in the development of great health industrial. Mr. Li Jinyuan, chairman of TIENS Group, has long been holding a TIENS dream of founding an international university, with the funds coming from the profits of the company. Tianjin Tianshi College was founded in 1999, invested by TIENS Group. It was authorized by Ministry of Education of the People's Republic of China in April 2008, and so became a normal full-time 4-year college. Now it has 7 colleges and 21 undergraduate majors for more than 5,000 students. Based on Tianjin Tianshi College, TIENS University, an important part of Wuqing Zone, covers an area of 3.2 square kilometers and has overall structure area of 2.1 million square meters. For the first phase that has been commenced, the building area is 1.5 million square meters and the estimated investment is 10 billion RMB, of which more than 700,000 square meters will be handed over and put into use in July 2016. The rest will be totally handed over in 2017. It will accommodate 30,000 students. The university has Medical Science College, Engineering College, Agricultural College, Science College, Business College, Liberal Arts College, Art and Design College, with more than 50 college specialties covering such disciplines as science, engineering, agriculture, medicine, management, literature, law, and art. For the second phase, the auxiliary building of more than 600,000 square meters will be built. After construction, the university will be a multidisciplinary teaching and research-oriented university, focused on cultivation of pragmatic college students with postgraduate education. The university is planned under the urbanistic idea of city-like university, to gain a philosophy of schooling in line with advanced international schools and a top-class hardware condition within China. The activities in this school will be fully open. Gradually, it will gain regional influences. This is a new place of dynamism and hope that fully demonstrates the notion of internationalization, modernization, and socialization. The university will use internationalization as a means to combine identity and communication, vigorously adopt advanced educational philosophies and high-grade educational brand from its international peers, and recruit talents with international views and knowledge, so as to gain international attention and domestic fame for its key academic areas as soon as possible. To ensure a maximum transformation of scientific achievements to material productivity, the university will hire senior managers and academic leaders from around the world, who will bring up top-class teaching staff, management team, and application-oriented talents who will apply what they have learned from books and labs in practice. Research conducted here will support and promote the optimization and upgrading of local industrial structures, serve the society in certain areas, and based on the technology research platforms jointly established with governmental enterprises. Academic efforts here will be industrialization-oriented, task-cycled, and closely connected to productivity materialization. This university will become an engine of regional economic growth. The university will cooperate with well-known foreign universities to actively promote specialty cooperation and inter-university cooperation in the forms of 2+2, 3+1, and 4+2. Teachers here are senior professors who are experienced and highly qualified in teaching, and young doctors who have wide views, open minds, pioneering spirits and actions, and overseas experiences. Their job is to cultivate international talents with solid and broad knowledge basis and high innovation ability within their own fields. The graduates will be granted the academic degree jointly recognized by the Ministry of Education of the People's Republic of China and international educational institutions. The university regards modernity as the train to speed and quality, so the place will be with world-class teaching buildings, labs, libraries, stadiums, research centers, convention centers, centers for international exchanges, centers for student entrepreneurship, and other facilities for living and learning. Buildings here as the hardware condition for a highly internationalized university should and will be of distinct styles and follow international standards from design to construction. The library, the symbol of knowledge and learning, and thus one of the main buildings, will be located at the center, also the hub of the campus. It is designed to look like a cube, which suggests TIENS Group's interior quality of vigor and stability. Students from around the world will be able to swim in the immense ocean of knowledge via various learning instruments. The craftily designed teaching buildings are of the same style as in famous Western universities. By modular space planning, it is very flexible and can change to meet new needs for better learning and living of over 30,000 students. Well-developed traffic network and other supporting facilities around the university, integrating it well with the city. Interlaced roads within the campus and traffic hubs out of it provide easy travel for school members. Road junctions are well-designed landscapes, which serve as alternative places for learning, socializing, and entertainment. The clear and broad Longfeng River crosses the campus, providing sufficient water for the water system of the university. Delicately deployed along the ubiquitous river system within the campus, these featured landscapes are harmonious interactions between human and nature. Teachers and students can enjoy a good life after work in a relaxing and natural atmosphere, and a serene and elegant environment with grassy slopes and green willows weeping off the river shore. This is definitely a paradigm for the saying of, "The environment educates people." The university will consider socialization as the interactive force of attraction and radiation. It means to base itself at the center of Wuqing New Town, lead the surrounding and northern high-tech technology park, and serve and promote optimization and upgrading of local and regional industrial structure. You can also find a park of whimsies, a park of culture and art, a business street, and an e-commerce zone within the campus. Already equipped with a complete set of teaching and learning facilities, teachers and students here also enjoy an open platform for entrepreneurship, where sparkles of thoughts are motivated, innovation and inspiration are encouraged, and various exchanges, seminars, and presentations are made. This platform is a real combination of production, teaching, and research, which enables the teachers' research and students' innovation to be oriented to the region of Beijing, Tianjin, and Hebei, to the whole China and to the world, forming the positive energy to promote the development of productivity. The university is an ideal place because it motivates innovation, promotes international exchanges, shares within the community, pursues prominent academic achievements, improves the quality of life, owns the spirit that it must look into the future, and pushes progress in education, scientific research, and innovation. The university, along with TIENS International Health Industrial Park nearby, will vigorously promote economic and social development in surrounding areas and advance its culture and health causes. TIENS Group accumulates its wealth from global markets and uses it in education, which shows the conscience and broad-mindedness of an entrepreneur. TIENS University will put scientific wings on TIENS for it to fly higher and farther in its third time entrepreneurship.